Hey everybody, it's Nylon. Check out what I got here. I got a watch band. So I got these different, I got this pack and it comes with a whole bunch of different ones. I'm going to show you them all so you can all see how they are. I mean, they just kind of go. You can kind of feed, if you have a watch, you can kind of feed it through. But let me show you what it's like here. I'm going to take off some of these bracelets. I got a lot of bracelets on. And show you how it works. So we'll put this on. So hopefully you know how to put on a watch. If you don't, you can watch me do it here. So try to do it one-handed. Clearly my watch is not attached, but if it would be, this is where it would be. And so it's got all the different little holes. So my wrist is, I have a tiny little wrist, but you see I still got another bunch of holes left, and you feed it through. So that's kind of the watch there. And then it's got this little section here where it's like doubled up, so you could have the watch face in there and stuff. So kind of this little area in there. So kind of cool little design of how they do this watch band. So this is the watch band here, and so you get this one here, this color. I think this might be blue and green. I don't know. I'm colorblind, so I'm just going to go through each of these with you, and you guys can tell me what colors they are. These are 18 millimeters, I think is how they are. This one here is just straight black. They're super comfortable and nice fabric and super solid, so these are gonna be really good. So that's what it is. So you kind of see you have the extra little, so you can kind of wrap it around, but you can do that there. So that color black, you get a nice rainbow one here. I have an Apple Watch, so right now I'm not able to put it on these, so that's why I'm not really showing you the full putting it together, but this is the rainbow color right here. I like this one, very colorful. And it also comes with the little pins, you know, the little pins that you need sometimes to put them into the watches, so you get a whole bunch of those. So that is good. So probably you get, I'm guessing there's probably 2 for each. So let's see, what color is this one here? This is probably red and black maybe. Red and black, and they're all the same style, so very nice. We have a gray and black, maybe? Or silver? You tell me. There's a lot of them here, so many different ones. And they all say, I guess they all say 18 millimeters on them, so you know that that's the size. And they all have lots of different holes on them, so you can totally adjustable size. So there we go. So this is blue and white. It reminds me of, yeah, flag or something, but okay. This color here. This one's 3 colors, black, gray, and red, maybe? I guess this one had a lot of colors too. Okay, what color is this? Is this gray, or brown, or pink, or something along those lines? I don't know. It's nice, nice bands. Very nice little watch bands. And boy, this whole set came with a whole lot of them. That's for sure. I don't know what color this one is. Maybe brown? Green? Oh, I think that might be it. Oh, one more here. This is the last one. Let's see what this one is. I'm going to guess this one's blue. Some sort of blue. Blue? So that's it. So these are them all. So we got this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different colors. So lots of watch bands. So we have all sorts of different watch bands. So you could use it for other things too. I guess there's any kind of tag that you want that to wrap around, you could have a full band for it. So I would say these things are really cool. Very nice. Super sturdy. These things are going to last forever, I think. They're just super strong. They got the little pins going through there that are good, and these metal hooks are super nice and smooth. There's no sharp edges or anything on them, so these are super high quality little straps. So definitely thumbs up from me. Very like these. I don't remember the brand for them though, but definitely a thumbs up. But I'll put a link in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more reviews soon. Thanks.